Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we all have learned to read I sound words, sentences, and now it's time to read the pictures. How to read the pictures? By forming sentences. So let's begin. Reading practice. Let's look at the picture. In this picture, there is a child, a kid. And a kid has something around the neck. Do you know what it is? It is called a babe. And where is the boy and the kid is sitting? On a mat or on a rug. Right? And there is a nib also near a mat. So let's read the sentences. The first sentence is a nib and a bib. Let's read a nib and a bib. Tom wears a bib. Tom wears a bib. Who wears a bib? Tom. What Tom has wear? A bib. Bib, what is a bib? Small children wear them around their neck so that their clothes doesn't get dirty. He has a nib. He has a nib. The next sentence is the nib. The nib is near the rag. The nib is near the rag. One more time, children. The nib is near the rag. The bib is on the mat. Where is the bib? It's on the mat. The bib is on the mat. One more time. The bib is on the mat. Good children. Now, let's look at another picture. Now, in this picture, what can you see, children? What you all can see? Any guess? Come on, think. Yeah, you are right. There is a kid. Yes, a sofa. Very good. And what is this kid having in the hand? A lid. Wonderful. And they are hiding behind. So let's make sentences. The kid has a bib. The kid has a bib. He has a lid. He has a lid. Sid hid. Sid hid and got a lid. Who got a lid? Sid. Sid छुप गया and उसने वहां से lid ले लिया. Sid hid and got the lid. Ken went for a bid. Did he get the bid? Did he get the bid? Oh, that was quite interesting. Yes, children? Till the time you answer the questions, I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.